Hey guys, hey guys, I've been home for almost 2 months now, or at least in the United States. I've been in Chicago for about 6 weeks, made a few trips back to Butler, spent a wonderful Christmas with my family, and had a absolutely great New Year's with all of my friends here at home and my lovely girlfriend. And I just wanted to do my final update now that my study abroad experience truly is over. I go back to school for our spring rush on Sunday, and I just wanted to, give my final wrap-up, my final thoughts, and bid a fond farewell to everyone who's been watching. I guess my first thing I want to say is I've noticed that a lot of my friends, especially the female ones, have been talking about how much they miss Australia and how much they want to go back. And I think, Australia was a really good experience for me. Studying abroad was something that I absolutely am encouraging every single person that I know to do if they have the time and the money. I think that studying abroad and being away from your home university is a great time, and it's really a big learning experience. That being said, I didn't feel like Australia was as exciting or as amazing or perfect as everyone seems to make it out to be. And that's nothing against Australians at all. They were wonderful people, absolutely wonderful and accommodating, and just happy to have us there. But the cultural differences for me were something that I didn't really like. I felt that my experience was, aside from the students, I felt it was very impersonal. We never got to know our neighbors, despite my attempts to try. We mostly hung out with Americans, and the few Australian students that I befriended, I've talked to them a handful of times, but we never really formed a strong bond. And I think that's not on Australians as much as it is on their educational system. I think the commuting system that they have there, as opposed to the residency system that we have for our colleges here, it's a downfall. And I just think that going to a school, especially like Butler, is very, very tight knit, and we're very community driven, and that's something that I really, really desire, and that's something that, being from the Midwest, is something that we hold very dear to our hearts. And I guess my other thing is that Americans who come back from Australia just absolutely fall in love with it, and they build it up to be something greater than I think any country could be. And that's just not on them, on Australians at all. I think that's just more on Americans making everything seem greater than it actually is. I do want to say New Zealand is one of those places that I'm absolutely going to go back to as soon as I possibly can. I absolutely loved my time there, and I just wanted to give a shout out to all the Kiwis out there and say I'm really happy with the way you guys represented your country during the Rugby World Cup, and represented your country to me and my friends while I was there. And every single person I know who's been there just absolutely loves your country. So I wanted to say that too. There's really nothing else I want to say except for IFSA Butler, the program that obviously you're watching me through on their website, and they're just a great program. And I actually have a friend who's at Purdue who's going to go to Argentina through them this next year, and I couldn't say enough good things about the IFSA Butler program. They set things up very well. There's a lot of orientation activities. There's a lot of activities on the weekends. You get to know the people you're with. The support system is just absolutely wonderful, and they're just so on top of their game that, it just made the entire experience really, really, really good. So that's something I really have to give them a lot of credit for. So I just wanted to say that to them. I just wanted to, say I'm really happy to be home, really happy to, get back to school, start doing things, go back to Rush, be around my fraternity brothers again, be with my girlfriend again, be in class again. And I've got some good things that, I'm seeing for the future, and my experience really helped me as a person. I've come back more motivated than I've ever been in my entire life. I've just always been, that kid who relies on his smarts to get by in life, and Australia's really given me that motivation and that drive to do great things. So I'm really, really glad that I have that going for me too. And I just really wanted to say the experience really did that for me, and I really hope you all have a great 2012. And those of you that are thinking about going and studying abroad, I just say absolutely do it. And if you're going to go through any program, IFSA Butler is the way to go. So, cheers, and have a good day, all right? Yeah, sounds good. Bye.